Welcome to this short, gentle, seated sequence to help ease anxiety. Together we will focus our mind on our breath and our body to ease anxious thoughts and to free up tension in the body. Hi, I'm Farrah of Farrah Yoga. I have been teaching yoga for over 18 years, and my passion is helping those who feel anxious and stressed to release nervous tension and calm the mind. So let's get started. We're going to come onto our mat in a seated position. Always the option to sit the edge of your seat on a blanket, a bolster, or a block. And let's find a nice tall spine, aligning our heart over our hips and our head over our heart. If it's relaxing to you, close down the windows of your eyes, or always an option to take a soft gaze over the tip of your nose. Soften the expression on your face. Allow the jaw to open and loosen. Invite a heaviness into the top of the shoulders, the navel lightly hugging in towards the spine. Feel into the support underneath you and see if you can give even more of your weight to it. And from this grounding, we find length all the way up through the spine, reaching up through the crown of the head. And begin to draw awareness into the breath. Allow the breath to be slow and steady. Just beginning to observe any and all sensations of your breath. Excessive thoughts are not necessarily bad, but they can cloud and color our experience. This inner chatter is based on our conditioning, our memories, our fears, and so on. Often repetitive, running in a loop, and not necessarily true. So when we give our mind free rein, it can torment and exhaust us. Yoga teaches us that we are not our thoughts, but rather the observer of our thoughts. And when we realize this misunderstanding, it can create a shift. It gives us power. It can change our relationship with our thoughts. So you are not your thoughts. And you also have a tool within you always to slow down this mind chatter, and that is breath awareness. When we practice breath awareness, we can instantly experience that mind and body connection. Drawing the energy from our mind down into the body and getting in touch with our true selves. Breath awareness can help slow down that spiraling in your mind. So I invite you throughout this short practice to continue to draw awareness into your breath. Maybe notice where you feel the breath the most. Allow this breath awareness to anchor you into your body and into this present moment, getting in touch with your true self. So if the eyes are closed, let's gently flutter the eyes open. And we'll interlace our fingers in front of us, taking a note of the thumb that's on top. Turn the palms away from your chest, reaching your arms out, pressing the palms away from the heart. Arms are parallel with the floor. The shoulders continue to draw down away from the ears, and the navel lightly hugs in towards the spine, helping to tone the core and the spinal column. And just simply observing all the sensations here in the upper back as we relieve tension in that space between the shoulder blades. And then use the next inhale breath to float the arms all the way up. Keep drawing the shoulder blades down the back as you invite some opening and expansion into the front of your chest. Taking one more breath here. And then let's slowly release the arms down and bring either our fingertips or palms behind us, walking the hands in towards one another a little bit. And then actively squeeze the shoulder blades together, broadening through the collarbones, opening the congestion that might be in the front of your chest as we strengthen the upper back, helping to correct our posture. Keep reaching up through the crown of your head. And then the next exhale breath, let's hinge at the waist. Reach your arms out along your sides until they come all the way in front of you and begin to fold over your lap. You can be on your palms or your forearms, wherever it feels good. No need to force or strain. Taking whatever variation serves you best in this moment. Let the head be heavy, soften the back of the neck, and even that lower jaw so relaxed that it too is falling down towards the floor. Maybe noticing here where you feel the most sensation. Where do you feel the stretch? And if you're observing any tension or tightness, can you invite even more breath and even more awareness into these spaces, inviting them to softly open and let go. Let's take one more full round of breath here. And then use the next inhale breath to slowly roll up through your spine, one vertebrae at a time, until eventually your shoulders come back over your hips and your ears over your shoulders. And now let's switch our legs to keep balance within our hips. Once again, sit nice and tall, heart over hips, head over heart. And again, interlace your fingers, this time now with the opposite thumb on top, finding that more awkward grip. Turn the palms away, begin to reach out, creating that space in the upper back, top of the shoulders heavy, belly hugging in. Maybe imagine here that you're breathing in relaxation and breathing out tension. And then use the next inhale breath to float the arms up. Keep drawing the shoulder blades down the back. Still finding that firmness in the belly. Inviting an opening and expansion into the front of your heart. And then the next exhale breath, slowly bring the arms back behind you, fingertips or palms. Walk the hands in towards one another. Actively squeeze the shoulder blades together. Keep finding length up through the top of the head. Keep concentrating on the sensations of the breath. Keep arriving deeper and deeper into this moment. And then the next exhale breath, begin to hinge at the waist. Reach your arms out to your sides and then bring them in front of you. Staying on your palms or possibly coming down to your forearms as you gently fold over your lap. Head is heavy. Soften the back of the neck, relax the jaw. Without any judgment, just beginning to observe once again where you feel the most sensation within this stretch. And if you're feeling tension or tightness, can you invite even more breath, even more awareness into these spaces, inviting them to softly open and let go. Taking one more full round of breath here. Using the next inhale breath to slowly roll up through your spine, one vertebrae at a time. And sit nice and tall. Now relieving tension in the sides of our body, let's bring our fingertips to the floor on either side of us. And on the next inhale breath, slowly reach the right arm up and overhead, side stretch to the left. Keep your right hip grounded. Reach through the fingertips. And then wait for the exhale to slowly bring that arm back down along your side, moving with the breath. Inhale, left arm reaches up and overhead, side stretch to the right. Stay grounded through the left hip, reach through the fingers. And then exhale, slowly come back to center. Inhale, move with the length of your inhale, observing the sensations as the right rib cage expands. And then exhale, slowly release. Inhale, left arm reaches up and overhead, observing the expansion in the left rib cage as you breathe in. And then waiting for the exhale to slowly bring that arm back along your side. Let's do one more round. Inhale, right arm reaches up and overhead. Maybe left ear falls in towards the left shoulder. Exhale, nice, slow release. Inhale, left arm reaching up and overhead. Maybe the right ear falls in towards the right shoulder. And then exhale, slow release. Now from here, coming into bound angle pose, let's draw the soles of the feet together and let the knees fall out wide. And playing around with where it feels good to have your feet. They might be close in towards your pelvis. They might be a little further away. Just noticing what feels good in your body in this moment. Softening into the inner thighs, softening into the joints of your knees. And then on the next exhale breath, leading with your heart, begin to hinge at your waist and once again folding forward, head heavy. Unclenching the jaw. Keep drawing the energy down away from the mind and into the physical body, observing all sensation. Maybe noticing the back ribs expand on the in-breath and contract on the out-breath. Reminding yourself that you are not your thoughts, but rather you are the witness, you are the observer of your thoughts. Without judgment, just simply watching as they float by like clouds in the sky. Adding in a little massage here for the back of the neck, allowing the head to now sway a little bit from side to side like a pendulum back and forth. Massaging out tension in the back of the neck. Breathing in relaxation. Breathing out tension. Swaying the head one more time to each side. And as you feel balanced, draw the head back to center. Once again, we'll use an inhale breath and roll up the spine one vertebrae at a time until we sit nice and tall. Draw your hands towards the outside of the knees. Use the assistance of your hands to draw your legs together. And we'll come into our final pose, Shavasana. Slowly beginning to recline down onto your back. If you were sitting on any prop, just setting that off to the side. Or always the option to slide a bolster or a blanket underneath your knees to take pressure off of the low back. We're going to slowly recline down. Extend the legs out long. Let the toes fall out to the sides, relaxing the muscles of your legs. Draw your shoulders away from the ears, and if comfortable, turn the palms to face up towards the ceiling above. Softening the gaze or closing down the windows of your eyes. And just for a few breaths here, feel into that support underneath you. Feeling into that support that is always there. Can you give even more of your weight to it? Softening into the feet, the legs, the hips, the torso, the shoulders, the arms, the neck, and the head and face. Letting go of all muscular effort, letting go of all doing, and just focusing on being. observing the rise and the fall of the belly as you breathe in and out. Keep concentrating on the sensations within your breath, slowing down that spiraling in the mind, and maybe even allowing yourself to feel held as you rest deeply on the ground. And then slowly now begin to invite some movement in, maybe wiggling the fingers or the toes. Maybe the head gently sways side to side. No right or wrong here. Just noticing what your body's asking for as it speaks to you through sensation. What feels good? What would help you unwind and relieve tension? Maybe a full body stretch. Maybe you draw the knees in towards the chest, stretching out the low back, giving yourself a little hug. Maybe even rocking from side to side, massaging your back. And then eventually allow yourself to roll all the way over onto one side. And take just a brief moment of pause and reflection, observing how you feel. Maybe observing any difference in the way you feel now compared to when you started this practice. Thank yourself for showing up, for taking this ever so important time for you, getting out of your head and into your body. And then with as little effort as possible, let's press ourselves up into any comfortable seat. One last time, sitting tall. Heart over hips, head over heart. Face remains soft, shoulders relaxed. Feeling into the support underneath you, rising up through the crown. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. Remember that you are not your thoughts and that you have the power to slow down your thoughts anytime you need to by drawing awareness into your breath. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this practice, please support me by hitting the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips to relax your body and mind. I'd love to hear from you. Please comment below how you are feeling after this practice. And please check out my free downloadable 15-minute guided mindfulness meditation. This can be used in the morning to set the tone for your day, as a reset in the afternoon, or at night to help you unwind and sleep better. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.